Friends. Hello everyone. Today is April 25th, 2020. Spring has come to us. The snow melted. The water in the river begins to rise. I'm constantly watching the bridge. It's already flooded. Only a large upper structure remained above the water. Now we'll go ashore and take a look. Wow. Wow. It really flooded. I can already see from here. I'll show you everything now. Well, the first spring flowers have already bloomed. They were not there recently. It's warm outside. About 10 degrees. Wow. Watch and hold on to the sofa. Don't fall there from shock. The bridge is flooded, and you can't even approach it.